feel like I hear somebody coming. Okay, I'm gonna try to get down and hide. Oh my goodness, I think somebody's coming. I'm scared. Hello guys, this is an episode of Queen's Theater. Oh, do you see the shadows? Oh, they're coming. Guys, stay tuned. It's about to start.
Sometimes you think you know a person. Sometimes you think a person is nice. Then you find out they aren't. What goes on in your neighborhood? Just another day on the job. I love this job. I came out here to make a difference. Some days it doesn't feel like I'm making a difference. But I know in my heart, there is a difference. 'Cause I'm different. Today is unlike any other day, but I didn't know it till that day ended. 6 bodies, 1 detective, 1 law book. I'm out here. Got something else here. Looks like they were drinking Coke 45. Don't really want to touch it. Fingerprint. Code 45 works every time. Got the murder weapon out here. It's crazy. They just left it out here. Need somebody to bag that. It's a baseball bat. Crazy out here. Looks like they was doing some laundry out here before they executed these 6 folks. Got the trash cans out here. Guess they used that to dump the body. But then again, there's still trash in there. Looks like they never took the trash out. Oh boy. Guess they're not good at their chores. All the trash cans are out here. Wonder what's going on. Trash cans, laundry basket, baseball bat, Colt 45, Wawa fruit punch. Everybody log this in evidence for me, please. Tag it, bag it. Make sure it gets back there. Don't mess up the chain of custody either. All right, I'm gonna head back to where the witnesses are, talk to the witnesses. Hello, mister. I'm gonna keep you anonymous. Can you just tell me what you saw when you were approaching the scene?
I saw 2 of them leaving the scene. One was wearing red and one was wearing black. That's all I saw.
That's it, nothing else?
Nothing else.
Okay, did you recognize them from somewhere else in the neighborhood or?
No, they look familiar, but I can't remember the name, or I can't come up with the name.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, ma'am. I got a couple questions. If you don't want, I don't have to say what your name is during this recording or even put it in the witness statement, but I need a little help trying to get this case solved. Can you tell me what you saw, if anything, upon you coming to this scene?
I saw 2 people. One was wearing red and one was wearing black. I'm sorry, I gotta go now.
All right, man, we'll be in touch. Thank you. You're going to remain anonymous. I just want to ask you a quick question as one of the witnesses to the crime scene.
Yeah.
Can you describe, or did you see anybody leaving the scene as you pulled up?
Yes, I saw 2 individuals. One was wearing red, had like lines, and was like climbing like the building.
Climbing the building?
Yeah, like climbing the building, just like climbing, and then just sprung off in the air.
Well, what did the other one look like?
oh my gosh, midnight. Looked like draped. He was, I think it was a man. It was draped like that, and it was just all darkness, just darkness all over.
Okay, if we have any more questions, we'll be in contact with you.
Scary, very scary.
Scary?
Yes.
Okay, do you want to see somebody? You need to see emergency or medical or EMTs or anything?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, ma'am, thank you. Hey, Miss Sherry, how you doing?
Good, what's up?
Do you have those files? I got a hunch.
Oh, yeah, here you go. Have a good day.
Thank you. Oh, man. Wait a minute. Is that the back of a red mask right there? Hold on. Sir. 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 .920 the Central put me out on Elm Street. Heading northbound. Suspects are taking off at high rate of speed. They're on foot for now. They just got in the car. Make of the car is an Avalanche, gray in color. Zulu Delta Tango 92 Alpha. Oh my goodness. One driving, black mask. The other one has red. That's all I could get. Great, I gotta go back to headquarters and tell the captain I had these scumbags. I almost had them, and I lost them. Now we're going to have to put out a pickup and hold for these scumbags. We're going to get them. We're definitely going to get them. You watch what I tell you. Now it's personal. Hey, Cap, I need to talk to you about this case that I got. Going on. Having a little bit of trouble with it.
Trouble? I need you to wrap that case up, Detective Mims.
All right.
Attention, all officers. Attention, all officers. Be on the lookout for a 1999 Gray Avalanche, New Jersey Zulu Delta Tango 92 Alpha. 2 males suspected to be operating the vehicle. One with a black mask, one with a red mask. The list of victims has been released. I repeat, the list of victims has been released. You all know him. Proceed with caution. Michael Myers, Chucky, Freddy Krueger, Carrie, Norman Bates, Jason Voorhees. Wait, check your computers. We now have photos of the suspects. Proceed with caution. They are very elusive and they are very dark.
It's October 31st. I'm Detective LMP, also known as Lee Mims Productions. I'm here to conduct, hopefully, the final part of this investigation. We have with us today, on her own free will, Alaquisha Monteze Olajuwon from 222 Elm Street, Happyville, Pennsylvania. And can you tell me why you called for me to come over today to speak with you? What information do you have?
Do you have the voiceover on? Because I don't want nobody to know who I am.
Nobody's going to know who you are.
Because I actually have some vital information and I know these people.
Well, who are these people? You actually know D. Vader and S-Man?
Yes. I actually don't know them, but I know their parents.
Well, who's their parents?
I need a cigarette. I'm really nervous. I don't want to get killed. I don't want to get killed. I don't want to die. Just give me a few minutes. Okay. Can I get a witness protection?
Sure.
All right.
Nobody even knows where Happyville, Pennsylvania is. It's not in a real place, is it?
Are you talking to me like just regular?
Ma'am, you talking about you want witness protection. Happyville, Pennsylvania is not in a real place. There's no place that's full of happiness. So just tell us what tell us what you know.
First of all, I'm not a snitch. But since I'm being forced.
You're not being forced. You're here on your free will. You called me.
Okay. Since I'm being pressured. I believe that, I don't know if you guys know, but their parents are YouTubers. Lee Mills Production and Queen of Trades. Do you know who they are?
No.
Okay, well, I guess it'll be something that you'll have to figure out. And I do know that I saw them. They were burying the bodies in a local park in the area. I seen them with 6 bodies pulling out of a car.
Man.
Or maybe it was a truck.
Okay. Would you be willing to write that down?
Come again?
Would you be willing to write that down?
I didn't know nothing about no writing nothing down. I thought I just had to give information. So look, I am well known in my area. I'm not no snitch.
Well, man,
This can't go on no paperwork. I'm not going to court.
Well, man, why are you here? You just gonna let killers keep killing? Chucky had feelings. Huh? Norman Bates. Feelings. Jason. Feelings. Carrie had feelings.
Well, I'm going to have to get a lawyer involved.
All right, man. This should be enough information to help out with the investigation. Is there anything else you would like to leave on record?
I saw them. One had a red mask on, and the other one had a black mask on. And all I know is they looked real familiar.
All right. This concludes the investigation of 10/31/2018. I want to thank you, Miss Alaquisha Monteze Elijah for coming in today.
I'm glad to be of service.
I'm just about to follow this hunch. I could go in here and talk. Hopefully this is the end. Detective Lee Mims Productions here. Have already gathered the warrant. We're going to search this room top to bottom. This looks like it's a crime scene. It's junky. But it shouldn't be hard. Let me see. Looks like we found the murder weapon. Alright. I'm gonna have to go to his brother's room. I'm gonna have this tagged and bagged. Heinous crimes. Let's see here. Case closed.
Stop. Don't run.
Don't run. Police! Police! Stop!
Brother, you're driving a little rambunctious. What are you doing? We're hitting everything. Let me take over. Slow down. I'll shoot the cops right behind us.
October 31st, 2018, 21:30 hours. We're here with the other subject. His name is D. Vader. I'm going to read you your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you. Do you understand everything I just said to you?
Yes, sir.
What is so funny? Are you that crazy?
Sir, I don't know, sir. Sir, I'm joking, sir. I'm Star Wars.
You're not a joker. You're D. Vader. Darth Vader.
Sir, I forgot, sir. You know me. I'm just a little crazy, you know, sir.
So why did you do it?
Because, sir, I get tired of watching these scary movies, so I have to kill all six, man.
So you're the ringleader.
Oh, I guess so, sir.
You're the mastermind.
Yes, sir.
You're going away for life. This is Detective LMP on October 31st, 2018, approximately 21:05 hours. We are here to start the investigation or the conclusion of the matter dealing with the heinous murders that have been occurring in our city. Please state your name for the record.
My name is S-Man.
S-Man. Okay. S-Man, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you. Do you understand what I have just said to you?
Yes, sir.
All right. So, you mind telling us how we got here today?
I got here today because the world doesn't deserve this type of evil.
Okay. Okay, great. So the world doesn't deserve this type of evil. What are you saying? Are you admitting to the 6 heinous murders that we have found today? You can't even drink. You have no lips, S-Man. You have no lips. There's no water in there. It's a prop.